Dude, a delicious, elegant steak flatbread pizza?
Don't do this.
I don't know. You
Not
guys
like
let me
this.
know.
Too late.
Welcome to the show. My name is CJ Frazier.
Andres. Mr. Low Budget. Mr. Low Budget. That's what I'm going to start calling you.
Michael Andres is in 2 episodes
Hey,
now.
what's going on?
Dream within a dream, huh? I'm impressed.
This is CJ's first cooking show. That's Nate, that's Ethan. That is
Hey.
your worst nightmare.
You're going nowhere.
And today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make an awesome flatbread pizza.
Don't.
Look behind you. You'd be
Mistaken to call
Wait,
this a
what?
pizza. If you guys didn't know, there's always nuggets right here on the walk of shame wall.
Ah, that's rough. I like it.
We'll see on the flat side. Hey guys, it's time to cook some steak for our elegant steak
Where's the beef?
flatbread. There it is, right there.
See it.
Dude, speaking of beef, I saw some old stuff from Florida Beef Council.
Yeah? That we did?
Yeah.
Way back in the day.
Way back in the day.
Dang.
It was awesome. It was a lot of fun to watch. It was,
Back
that
when
was-
I had some decent hair.
yeah.
Yeah.
And you were like a pretty nice guy
Take
back
it easy,
then.
Ethan. What?
I'm Chef Nathan Lippy, your host, and I will see you guys in the next video.
you were nice.
Exactly.
What?
Never. He was never nice. I don't know where to go from there. But the point is,
Yeah, 'cause it's
I've
all
got a thick cut New York
rude.
strip, and I'm gonna be very liberal with this seasoning.
Your favorite seasoning.
Dude, it is absolutely my favorite seasoning. Get it on all sides, and let's head over to the Blackstone.
It's not whiskey burger?
Whiskey?
What? That's not my favorite.
Really?
Really?
It's not his favorite,
I
Ethan.
thought it was.
Dude, well, you genuinely don't even know what's on a bandito.
I'm genuinely sorry about the window!
You still don't know the 3 components of a bandito to this day.
Ethan, what are the 3 components of a bandito?
You know what? I'm just choosing not to answer because I want to not answer.
Yeah, well.
Right.
Also, otherwise known as I don't know.
I don't know.
Oh, no.
I don't know what's going on. Oh, you know what? Hang back
What?
over here, you guys.
Okay, I'm coming back over here.
Yeah, I'm going to add some these little sweet bell peppers.
Okay.
These little guys here.
They're tiny.
Tiny little guys. Yeah, I'm
Little.
My hands are little, and my feet are too small. My shoulders slope down. I'm a little guy.
Just like 2 oranges and 2 yellows.
Yes.
If you had a red, like just to have a little different color.
Well, I have red tomatoes in a little bit, and so
Oh, okay.
I didn't want
All right. I doubted the process.
You did?
I apologize.
Who
Hey.
deserves the boo box?
I apologize.
Unbelievable Glenn Close cameo that nobody saw coming. Also, there's another random cameo in that movie.
And Hook?
Yes.
Who? Whoa. Tell me the scene.
Lost.
Lost what?
I've lost my marbles. As one does.
What's the cameo? No.
On that wicked transition,
Watch out for that first step.
I can feel it. I've got some Duke's mayo. I'm making a special sauce here. Sorry, I forgot to announce that to anybody. This is in, so we're not going to be doing like a red sauce. Got a little bit of Worcestershire here, and dude, I've got some
Oh dang.
some
Show me
glaze,
that.
some yummy.
Wow, look at you
Yeah,
buying
balsamic
nice
glaze.
stuff.
Well, what can I say? You know, I'm a nice guy. Just because I'm a bad guy doesn't mean I'm a
Bad guy.
And the last component that's going to be going in here is
Lemon.
a little bit more.
That's a lime.
But
That's the Italian pronunciation.
yeah, Ethan, everybody knows that.
Close the candle.
Why are you talking back anyways?
Guy.
Send you off to your own park.
Should we?
I forgot to change shirts. So...
I got him! I got him!
Let me go change my shirt.
Recent violence has been attributed to a group of foreign fighters.
Send you off to your own park.
At the 10 rings.
Should we?
I forgot. Hey, CJ, did you know that Mozart, we don't know where he was buried? Because back in the
I've
day,
been wondering.
they had common graves, and then they had graves for, like, rich people, aristocracy,
Aristocrat.
those. But yeah, so we actually...
What?
Everybody wants to be a cow.
I'm sorry, Ethan.
I never watched it. But yeah, we don't know where he was buried, because he was just buried in a common grave, so...
Huh.
Perhaps he is not so common now.
I love
Mozart.
Check out Brahms. He's good too.
I thought that was Sebastian Bach.
Not
Mother trucker!
Ooh, a lot going on here. Also, I flipped my steak and my bell peppers. It's
You're
time to
welcome.
make the sauce. Like I said, our sauce, super fantastic. All the components, Duke's mayo, a little Worcestershire, some balsamic glaze, a hefty cinch sack.
hefty cinch sack.
Oh, that's an old one.
Yes, it is. Hefty amount of steakhouse seasoning. In fact, I'm not sure. I might need a little bit
What?
more
Seasoning?
steakhouse.
I got reamed in the comments for adding more seasoning once.
Yeah, because it's my recipe and I was the one cooking.
Does it need more seasoning?
Nope. It's good to go.
Fantastic.
I know. What?
I'm just kidding.
Oh, right. Yeah, I was like,
wouldn't do it to
okay,
you.
I'm losing my mind. Let's
All
go
right.
back over here. Let's go back over here. I've got
Cool.
some little cherry tomato.
What?
Knock, knock.
Thank you. Get it. Shh, don't say anything.
Hey, Ethan, you know the joke.
What joke?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
I'll buy you Mr. Goodbar. All right, here we go. I couldn't finish it. I'm gonna season with some little guys. Oh yeah, little guys. Oh, and I forgot to mention my peppers. I want a strong char, like
Yeah, they're gorgeous.
burned. That like crispy exterior. It's gonna sweeten it up even more. Not that it needs to be sweeter, because I'm already.
Sweet enough. I knew where you were going right.
Yep.
Arugula, my man.
Arugula.
Arugula.
I like it.
It's good. I got a little bit of olive oil and just a pinch
Oh yeah, pro
of
move.
salt and pepper
Free.
here. Gonna dress this just a little bit. Add a little bit of acidity with the limes. And dude, those
Little
are.
goes a long way.
Yep. Everybody loves. Not everybody. I think everybody should if they don't. Loves a nice bite of arugula, but lettuce. I feel like should always
Season
be
your lettuce.
dressed. Yeah. All right, we're ringing and bringing because we're about to start building on a naan bread. Nah, dude.
Non-dude.
A non-dude bread. We'll be
Dude,
back
that's
in a
our
minute.
first product. Nah bread, dude.
Not-
Dude, nah broad. Nah dude bread.
Nah, dude.
What is going on?
Dude, would you look at this steak? Look, would you just look at it?
Look
Bro,
at it.
Crispy
Look at
exterior,
it.
seasoned to perfection. We're gonna pull this off and let it start to rest. Also gonna go ahead and pull off those beautifully
Dang.
blistered peppers
They look
and
great.
tomatoes. Let's let those hang out by the steak.
They smell good.
Now we've got that naan bread. This is that fun
Naan, dude?
flatbread. If you've never used this, do it. If you have a tortilla, you could do the same thing, but you
Yeah.
gotta toast that on the. What is the? It's not the inside. It's the top. Yeah, it's
Sure.
the top. Now the steak, dude. Slice this guy up. You do not want.
dude.
Here's something you gotta know. You don't want giant chunks of steak because every bite that you take of steak, you take the whole piece.
Yeah, awful.
You want small bites of steak. Now we're gonna take this special sauce. Put it down. Don't go extremely liberal with it because it's very umami. I've got these bell peppers. Gonna chop the top off and just slice them in half.
I
Also
like
got
it.
those little blister tomatoes. Pop them off the vine. Let's get those on top. And yep, I think it's
Looking
official.
beautiful.
Thank you very much. We've got mozzarella. Fresh is the way to go, in my opinion, on this one. You could grate your own, but this is just a different, more elegant style flatbread. Don't cover too much. We're gonna put this on a warming rack that Blackstone
this
makes. This
move.
is awesome. This takes off the heat, but we still get residual heat
Yep.
to allow for melting.
You don't wanna burn
If
that
you've got a
bottom.
dome, use a dome. Close the lid, whatever you want. And dude, I think we're at that point now.
Are we there?
I think we're there.
there.
Yeah.
We're there.
Oh, come on
Oh,
now.
dude, see, that's what I am talking about.
Yeah.
Yep, let's bring these. Let's bring this one over here.
Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, almost
Whoa.
there. Yeah, buddy.
Dangerous.
Danger, Will Robinson.
No, Will Robinson. Danger.
Now, the reason we didn't do the arugula, during this part right here is because it would have got on there and got all wilty, and the vibrancy that it was supposed to bring is gonna die. So
it died.
Yep, exactly. So we've got this dressed arugula.
Dressed to impress, buddy.
Dressed to impress. And then we've got this steak here that's been tossed in some of that board sauce.
Yeah. This looks wicked, bud.
Thank you. Thank you.
Wicked, bud. Looking real good.
Looking real good there, bud, huh? And honestly, this was simple. It was quick. It was money. But we're not
that's
done
not
yet.
that's no scrubs. And
Never heat stroke again.
you're reaching now. Not like that. I'm gonna do one last little drizzle here of
you drizzling.
I know.
Wow.
Wow. And there it is.
Put that
buddy.
on a menu.
You actually totally could. Perfect flatbread, steak,
Yes, that's it.
pizza.
Wow.
No. Just had to drop it in. I'm so pleasantly surprised at how good this turned out. I had the idea, the vision in my head, but it's even better
It was a vision.
than I even envisioned. Oh yeah.
Oh. All right.
All right.
All right.
We're gonna just do this guy.
Enforce. Wow. Okay. Whoa. Got too much dip in your
little bit too much dip on my chip. Look at underneath the undercarriage.
Okay.
Got just a nice toast,
All
not
right.
too much. Let's see how we did.
Zita bindua.
Campbell, that's amazing.
Zang.
Dude,
Whoa.
the sauce, yeah, fresh mozzarella, do fresh. Money. It's not like covering the entire thing with
really
cheese.
Gorgeous.
That last drizzle of balsamic, the acidity from the tomato, dude. I'm a huge fan. I'm gonna be doing this more often.
Boom.
Let me know how I
Bam.
did in the Let me know how I did in the comments. But speaking of comments, it is now time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Welcome to the segment of the show where we screenshot comments from you, the viewers.
Unfortunately, we do.
If you guys write it.
We read it.
That's right. And then
Out
all
loud.
of the universe and my dozens
All
of
the known
viewers,
universes.
they get a chance to watch and have some fun. So starting from the top in no particular order, this comes in from Douglas Downing.
Junior. I love this guy.
Yeah, it's good. Steak looked great. Only thing I change is muting the camera guy. Love you, CJ.
Well, wait a minute. I thought this was someone that I
Nope.
liked. I thought someone was
Mute.
cool.
See what I did there? Nope, nobody can hear you. Nobody feels your anger. In fact, you're saying loving things.
I was pretending. I've been here the whole time.
Wow. All right, Douglas. I thought we pulled a fast one with our ruse.
Nice try, Douglas. Try again next time.
Mr. Hut says, first time commenting, long time viewer. Love watching your show with my twin daughters.
Wow.
Always look for missed opportunities for movie quotes, but you do amazing there anyways. My twins ask, can you change your intro so that I stop singing Scum on? Scum on.
Scum?
Scum on.
Has he been hanging out at the cantina?
Okay. All right, we don't serve your kind here. Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, Mr.
Yeah, these are
Mister.
some good ones. I like it. Okay, this comes in from Shishi48.
Shishi48.
Shishi says, WTF is up with the random video clips. Just give me the recipe and cut all the BS. You really want to know what this episode would look like without any cutaways and none of the BS?
I don't want to know.
Here it is. See? Not fun.
For anyone.
Nobody involved, especially us. Can you deal with that? Everybody knows that can't flush toilets. They don't have opposable thumbs.
Ah, right. Opposable. Didn't think about that.
This next one is from Fret Sting McGee.
Fret Sting?
Yep.
Fret Sting.
Fret Sting McGee says, this guy sucks.
Yeah. I mean... That was a good one, Ethan.
Thank you.
Yeah, I do suck. Okay, this is a fun one. It's a little story, saga, if you will.
Story time.
Jay Valentine says, could have been 5-minute video, and what's the point if we don't have ingredients for the Mongolian sauce?
What?
Audrey, Casa.
I have a quarter for Audrey,
Casasa.
too.
Oh, okay. Says, go to the store. Jay Valentine says, have you tried the store-bought stuff? It's terrible. Jay Rosalia says, soy sauce, brown sugar, and corn flour or corn starch. Then the Timinator says, seriously, how many Mongolians do you know that will claim this isn't authentic?
Dude. Good question. 3.
No, it was authentic, I promise.
Yeah.
Sorry, bud. This next one comes in from Michael Weaver. Michael Weaver says, brother, you guys are stupid funny, and my wife and I love all the movie/TV and culture references. As a new 36-inch Blackstone owner, we appreciate all the great tips and recipes. For all the CJ haters,
Your mother was a hamster!
and your father smelled of elderberries.
I fart in your general direction!
Now go away, or I shall taunt you a second time. Much love, Michael and Trisha Weaver.
That's good.
Quality comment, quality quote, fantastic movie.
What a strange person.
And that's how we wrap up this delicious episode of CJ's First Cooking Show.
Delicious.
You guys got to try that flatbread. It was awesome. Definitely the best flatbread I've ever had / made. You're going to want to try it.
You didn't say pizza. It's working. Don't. Thank you.
Definitely try this flatbread pizza.
No!
Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe and tons of other stuff. Also go to griddlenation.com if you want to get a bunch of cool shirts, stickers, hoodies, all the things, even though it's so flippin' hot right now. Who in their right mind would buy a hoodie? It is not fine. If you want to put something up on the OG board where you could hang out next to Mr. Grohl.
Oh, he's hiding in there.
Hello. He was napping.
He was.
Oh, he's ready to go back to sleep.
Oh.
Guys,
my hero.
Just remember... This is CJ's First Cooking Show.
Yeah.
Where we cook.
And we quote.
That's right.
It's on the sign.
Don't be a monkey wrench.
What have we done with innocence?
Hey, man.
I'm still thinking.
Dude, you're such a pretender.
That's good. That's good.